Oh no! Oh no! Oh my gosh!
Oh no!
Hey. Oh, I'm sorry.
Hey!
Haha. Real, 有没有人西班牙这个
啊，OK。
Let go.
Hello!
Bye.
Hello! Wow!
Bye.
Ouch!
Hey.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Angry Toilet.
A new day begins. Bowser starts with a breakfast full of lump meat. Why doesn't Bowser eat any vegetables? In contrast to Bowser, Mario's house has a meal full of fruits and vegetables.
Hey!
Bowser only eats meat. We should bring him some vegetables.
Okay, that's right.
Go, 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 go.
At the farm, the Mario brothers are harvesting fruits and vegetables. Fresh and delicious fruits and vegetables.
Okay, okay, let's go.
They are brought to Bowser's house.
Hey Bowser,
What's going on?
I brought some mushrooms for you. Mushrooms are really good.
Huh?
I only like to eat meat. Why eat vegetables? Go away.
As you wish.
Hey, you!
Bowser suddenly feels severe stomach pain. It's not good. Bowser rushes to the restroom, but the door is broken. In haste, Mario damages Mario's restroom.
This is not good. What should I do?
Mario brings cabbage for Bowser.
What's this? I don't like vegetables.
Vegetables are good for your digestion.
I don't care. I don't like it. I have an idea.
A plunger? How inappropriate! Ew!
Gross.
The digestive tract is protesting, resisting against Bowser. Careful! Bowser falls into the pit.
Huh?
We need to save Bowser.
The situation is reversed, and the pit is filled with sand.
Hey, let's build a new restroom.
The two brothers start removing the old broken restrooms.
Okay, okay, let's go.
Where is Bowser going?
Welcome, dear guest.
That's right, we need bricks.
Go, 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 go!
I'm back.
Let's see how the Mario brothers build a new restroom. The concrete mixer is also brought in. The concrete mixture, when dry, will make the foundation more solid. The bricks are placed one by one. Wow, and here is the result.
I need your help.
Hello!
This must be the mud section machine. The swamp is draining. The water is gone. Santa Claus? Who is real? Who is fake? Decorating for Christmas.
Oh no, 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 no.
Oh?
The TV is broadcasting about Santa Claus.
I want to make a reindeer sleigh.
Okay, okay, let's go.
Where is Mario going? I wonder.
Whoa, whoa!
Okay, okay, let's go.
Mario plans to make a real reindeer sleigh? It's impossible. A pair of antlers? What is this? Mario attaches it to the cow. Unbelievable!
Hey, prepare the gift boxes for me. Wait a minute. Here you go, here you go.
He probably thinks Mario is Santa Claus' assistant.
Okay, okay, let's go.
Whoa!
How does Mario transform like this? Hawk?
Oh no!
Here it is, Santa Claus Mario. Everything is ready. Let's see how Mario impersonates Santa Claus.
The boy seems cold.
Oh, a practical gift. How long do I have to eat this?
Oh, hello! Whoa, whoa!
Wow, turkey!
Thank you very much!
It turns out Mario just wants to do good work too. Huh? What's going on? Does the cow want to eat grass?
Oh no, 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 no.
Oh, but the cows are stuck in the swamp.
Oh no!
I need your help.
Hello!
This must be the mud section machine.
Whoa, whoa!
The swamp is draining. The water is gone. The suction job is done.
Thank you.
Mario and the makeshift sleigh have passed the swamp.
Okay, okay, let's go.
Mario and the rescue of Paw Patrol. Where is Bowser going? Mario plays ball picking with Paw Patrol dog.
I'm throwing here.
Oh.
Does Paw Patrol want to go for a walk? Bowser has some intentions.
Oh my gosh!
The dog has been taken away by Bowser. What should you do?
Help me chase after that car.
Okay, hurry up on the car.
Hurry up.
Will Mario be able to save Paw Patrol?
Hey, stop!
Stop quickly.
It's too far away.
In the area where the train passes by. The train is moving at a high speed. Will everything be okay?
Catch me if you can.
Too dangerous! Indeed, in bad luck, there's good luck. Mario caught up with Bowser and gave Bowser a sky-high kick.
Oh no.
This is the result of the collision just now. Fortunately, this guy is fine.
Hey,
Mario needs to help the train. Where is this guy going?
Bye!
Hello? I need a train barrier. Do you have one?
Whatever you need, I have.
Thank you. I'm going. I'm back.
This signal. This barrier. Let's see how Mario does it. The concrete mixer enters. Concrete is poured into the just dug holes. Now, fix the signal. Next is a barrier system. Is this safe enough?
Oh, it's super safe.
The train continues its journey.
Thank you very much. We found Luigi's hat.
The analyzer confirms that this is Luigi's hat.
cool.
Mario immediately starts searching. The signal is getting stronger. Here it is! Luigi's location has been determined. Luigi and the mysterious disappearance. A new day at Luigi's house.
La-di-da-di-da-di-da.
Life seems very peaceful. Well, maybe not the peaceful. Luigi is angry.
Do you want to play hide and seek? It'll be a lot of fun.
Okay, 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 okay.
Hey, do you want to play hide and seek?
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, let's go.
Everyone heads to the playground. Everyone is very excited.
Hey, 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 hey.
Rock, paper, scissors. The loser is the seeker.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I'm out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Luigi, careful with the banana peel. Oh no! Stop! Someone is under there! Too dangerous! Someone save Luigi! What to do now?
Help! Help me! Help! Help me! Help!
Okay, okay, okay.
Now I'll go find him.
Others are still unaware that Luigi is in trouble.
Where could be Luigi be hiding? Where could Luigi be hiding?
No, 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 no.
Let's go find Luigi.
Oh, Luigi's hat? Why is it here?
Did Luigi encounter trouble?
It's just a spider.
Mario, Luigi is missing. What? I'm coming right away.
What does Mario need these items for?
Okay, okay, let's go.
Oh, hello.
We found Luigi's hat.
The analyzer confirms that this is Luigi's hat.
Let's go.
Mario immediately starts searching. The signal is getting stronger. Here it is! Luigi's location has been determined.
Hello, hello, hello!
Goodbye.
The excavator digs up the ground. Luigi has been found.
No, no. Hey, 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 hey.
Luckily, Luigi is safe.